And I'm frustrated. My bike is not performing the way I want it to be. Oh man, what the fuck. So today we are here. The bike is open. What are we doing? We are trying to sort out the problem that I've been having. So my last ride out, I was riding and then my bike wasn't going past the 7,000 or 8,000 RPM revs per minute. So I knew exactly probably the problem. Usually the problem, it goes to the pump. Probably it won't be supplying enough fuel, but I had a hunch. That chances were that it was the spark plugs. So I just took two out of 4 of the spark plugs. So I need to show you guys how bad these things were. Look at how bad these things were, and look at how bad these spark plugs were. So I had been neglecting these spark plugs for a very long time. I've been contemplating to change them, but I don't know what was happening with me. And the machine finally gave in. We want to change the spark plugs, clean the engine area, clean the air filter, or maybe replace. I do have a full service kit with me. And then another thing that I didn't show you that I did, I took out my fuel pump. It's actually located inside the fuel tank. So I took it out and then I sorted that out. I cleaned it. So what are the tools that I have today that I'm using? 16mm socket. I have the socket extender. This one is a bit longer. Socket extender, this one is a little bit smaller in case you want to fit into tight spaces. Plug spanner. This plug spanner, it bends all the way, so I can actually use it after removing the hard part of the plugs, and then I can just unscrew using this way, and then I fish it out. You have this big item. It's very big, but it's very useful. It makes you, do whatever that you want to do with ease. So this is very handful. I don't know between the two. I don't know which one is the torque range or what, but this is the two. Easy. I need to remove my fairings. After removing my fairings, then I can have better access to this part. So another thing that I'm doing today is I'm going to flush out my coolant. One thing you need to do, and after that you need to make sure that you bleed it out. The same as bleeding. I think I will have to also bleed my brakes and brake fluid in it. Another thing you need to be very careful about is when you're placing these parts, when you remove them, make sure that you place them in the order that you removed them, so that when you're now putting it back, you don't have to hassle. After loosening up the item, the spark plug, this is where this guy comes through. You just switch it out. You just put this item in like that. Okay, so this baby, right? So the spark plug will come through out straight up. So I have my set of iridium spark plugs. So never cheap out on these things. This is where the performance comes from. So iridium spark plugs, they come in a set of 4 like this. Okay.